Hello, today we will learn how to install Django on Windows 10. First, we will go to Start menu button and right click. Select Command Prompt with Admin. Yes. We will check pip command. Okay, and we will install virtual environment to collect all our packages in one environment. This is very good for development. Let's do it by pip install. Okay, I'm already installed. Let's make a new folder on desktop to work with. We can take the full path from here and change the directory in our command prompt like that. Now we will make new environment, virtual environment, by doing this. Python -m for modules, virtual environment, and the name of environment. It's regularly named env. Now let's activate our environment. We can do something like this, env, and then scripts. Activate. Okay, he will not let us go like this, so we will go inside our environment and then go to scripts and then activate. Now we will see this env. It's a name of our virtual environment written here. That means the virtual environment is now activated. Now let's go back to the main new folder and let's install Django by pip install Django. You can specify any version of Django you want to install by doing something like this, 2.2. Okay. Let's create a test project. And we will call it test project. Notice here that start project is a fixed command in Django. We will know more about these fixed commands on later lessons. Let's go inside our test project. Now we want to check if it's working. We will run the server or starting our live server for this project like this. Python manage.py is a file created in our new project. Let's see it on the folder test project. Manage.py it's automatically created by start project command and write command run server. Now our server is run at this address. We can copy this and go to any browser and test it. Congratulations, it's working.